Okay, so now this is a practice session for the analysis data, exploratory data of analysis. So let's begin with our no our so this is how we open the tools. I use Python here, so you can use your Python also. So to start the Python, we can open the Anaconda prompt, and then in the Anaconda prompt you can write down Jupyter Lab and then enter. So this is we'll call the Jupyter Lab from the Anaconda, or if you want to use the Jupyter Notebook, so you can type Jupyter Notebook instead of Jupyter Lab. So we will wait. There's a moment here, so let's wait until the Jupyter Lab is open, and then I will show you what is the essential part of the ADA. From the part 1 until the part 3. Okay, it will take some minutes. Okay, so as you can see here, there are file, edit, view, run, kernel, and so on until help. So if you want to make a new notebook, you can choose file new and then choose a notebook, and then choose the kernel. I use the Python 3 kernel, so I will select this kernel. Yeah, so this is the Anaconda assistant. You can ask anything in here. You can also ask anything about the exploratory data analysis. So let's back to our topic here. You can hide the right sidebar, and then you can edit, or you can rename the notebook. Let's say ADA practice. Yeah, so first we need some environment or some library to do the ADA. The most essential library, let's say import pandas spd, and then numpy snp, and then the visualization library such as matplotlib or cburn. So yeah, I will import the matplotlib just like this, and then import the cburn as SNS. So with this for library, we can create some beautiful ADA, beautiful graph, beautiful diagram, and etc. So in the first section, I mean in the basic ADA, we talk about the type of data. So I will demonstrate how to create a data set here. So let's say we use the pd.dataframe. So let's say df.pd.dataframe. In here, you must declare the dictionary type of the data. At first, use this symbol, and then you write down the name of the variable. Let's say gender here, and then we write the value male, female, and then let's say male, and female. So I will write down the non value or missing value here, so I can demonstrate what is the missing value stand for, or NaN stand for. So after gender, we can create another variable, let's say age. So we have the number here, 25, 16, and then 21, 25. The number of the age, the list of the age must be equal to the list of the gender. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we should write 6 different number, 2 more, and then 30. Let's say we just write down a random number just like this. So I'm done with creating a data set, and then we can call it df.head like this. The none is not defined because we can use np.none here. Okay, wait, I think we need to, okay, let's say just like this. Okay, so Okay, wait a moment. Nah, it's like this. If you want to see a lot of data set with now, if you want to see a lot of data set, you can write down the df, and then to extract the information of the data, you can write down df.info. This is will represent the value of the number of the column and also the number of the row. So the male here is the male here, yeah, the male here is the nominal variable, and the age is a numerical variable. This is the categorical, and the none is the missing value. So before we do the data, we need to clean this up, clean the missing value using the f dot is none, or we can use the fillna library. Replace this value with the mode value from the gender, or we can use any method of imputation that you learn in the data wrangling or in the data in the letter. So yeah, this is the demonstrated of what we do with the data. We can use the info to extract the early information about the data, or maybe you can use df.describe to extract the statistic value of the data. So yeah, this is the glimpse of the data in applied or practice of the data. So yeah, I see you in the next video. Bye bye.